I'm Allison Roberts, VP of Training and Development, and I'm here with IT Help Desk Specialist Javon. You've seen him on one-on-one video chats as well as in our video tutorials, and we are here today to bring you everything you need to succeed all in one place. That is TalkFusion. If you're a guest on the line, we welcome you. We are here to show you that TalkFusion really and truly is an all-in-one video marketing solution. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right.
So let's talk about why video marketing. You know, traditional email, okay, you get 87% more click-throughs with video. Look at that stat. Think about that for a minute. Your consumers are out there and they're 85% more likely to buy your product after viewing a video. Why? Because it's all about attention span. Our inboxes are getting flooded with traditional emails, and if you have an opportunity to stand out by using our products, then that is what we're going to show you how to do today. Not to mention it's face-to-face interaction and boosts your meeting productivity. So video and email is the perfect pair. Nearly 3 billion, let's say it again, 3 billion people are using email worldwide. What an audience, right? So it's 40% more effective than Facebook and Twitter combined. And for every dollar spent, you get $44 return.
Wow.
So think about that. If you're adding video, you want to get noticed, you want to be able to share your products, your services with your customers. How are you going to stand out from the rest? We're about to show them how. Isn't that right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so what is TalkFusion? TalkFusion is a suite of video communication products. We started with just one product, video email, and we have continued to innovate over the years. We're going to be 10 years old this year, award-winning technology, and this platform we're on right now is our live meetings platform, and we're about to share our desktop with you. And as we share our desktop with you, we're going to continue to be speaking. We're going to minimize our camera, and we're going to take you step by step, a back-end tour of TalkFusion. You ready, Javon?
I'm ready.
I'm excited to show them everything that we have to offer. So we're going to start with video email.
All right, so once you log into your product dashboard, you'll be brought to the left panel here where it has all of your products. First product we'll run through is video emails. So once you click on video emails, it opens up and gives you some additional options. Let's go ahead and click on the video email to get to the video email studio. And once you're here on this page, you'll be greeted with 4 options as well as a bunch of templates you can choose from the side. These options here are webcam. You can record a webcam video, import your video, use a save video, or use a TalkFusion Pro video.
There's thousands of templates to choose from, and they're translated in multiple languages. So you can pick and choose what you wish. You can create your own design. You can upload banners, pictures, and the video, or say you wanted the opportunity, you can click on opportunity. You can talk about TalkFusion and all that TalkFusion has to offer. You can see all the options in there. We'll close out of that, and now we'll go into products. Say you want to showcase TalkFusion. What is TalkFusion? Look at all these different product templates that you could share with your customers. Next, we're going to go, say you just want a personal greeting. We're going to go and click on birthdays. Plenty of birthday emails to choose from, even belated. Say you forgot, you're able to do that. Plus we have milestones. Again, these are translated in all the languages, thousands to choose from hobbies, invitations, and announcements. We also have business. Let's click on the business category, Javon. And let's say thank you for your business. Perfect. So as you can see, customer appreciation, health and beauty, fundraising, thank you for your business. Anything you could possibly imagine is there, and we make you look like $1 million because we brand it all for you. All you have to do is upload your video and send it.
Right.
So we're going to close out of that. Let's say we want to share TalkFusion with someone. Let's go to the product template. Well, let's walk them through that. So they select their template.
Yeah, so go ahead and select your template, and once you select your template, you immediately see being added to the actual template screen here. So now let's go ahead and select a video.
So we're going to click on Fusion Pro videos because we have this great opportunity video that you can choose, the 2017 presentation that tells you all about our products. It's translated in multiple languages. We're going to select it in English. It's very easy to do.
And then once you select a video, you click use this video, and then it immediately plays that video back, giving you a preview of how that video is going to show once you're getting ready to send it out to your recipient. You also have additional options here at the bottom left. Notice when you add a video, we give you the ability to add more clips. So you have up to 20-minute recording time per video, and you can go ahead and add additional videos, either your saved videos or another TalkFusion Pro video.
So we're going to click on products. Say we want to do our template showcase video. So we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to select it in English, and then we're going to sort it. And this is what I love about this product, is it doesn't matter how many videos, as long as it's up to 20 minutes of a recording time, you can click, drag, and drop and sort your videos accordingly, and then click you're done, and then it'll play in succinct. So let's go ahead and send it.
Yep, let's go ahead and click on the compose message at the bottom of the template. And once you get to your template screen here, if you notice over to the left, you can go ahead and alter your contact information. In the middle here, you can go ahead and select your individual recipients. Let's go ahead and send it to support.
Support@talkfusion.com. This is a plug. And any questions, go to support@talkfusion.com, and our team is waiting to hear from you. Okay, so we selected support. What do we do next, John?
Well, you also have the ability to select any of your contact folders. So if you have folders that you've already mapped out, be sure to select them and include them as recipients into your email. Now we have the ability to go ahead and customize even further, create our subject line, our message body. You have the ability to attention the subject line to the first name of the person or the name of the person that you have listed as in your address book. You can also go ahead and choose a file if you want to make an attachment or add an attachment to an email, just like you would with a regular email.
So add that subject line.
All right. Now you have the ability to go ahead and customize your header and footer. You would utilize this if you wanted to translate this into a particular language for the recipient. You might want to change it to say something else, or if you wanted to have fun with it, you can customize it to your own liking.
That's it. And then you have the option, a full HTML panel, and
Yep.
you can put in text and fonts and colors and all that fun stuff. And you can either schedule it for later or you can send it now, but we're going to go ahead and send. While that email is being processed, it lets you know the second it was sent, so you know that it went to the contacts in your address book that you specified.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
So go ahead and close this out, and we'll jump to the next section here.
Under video email, though, real quick, you have a private label. So if you're on our Pro package, you can brand TalkFusion as if it's your own, and you can submit for private labeling. Downline messages for our associates on the line, that is the ability for you to send messages to your fellow associates. So you submit that for requests. And then your custom templates. As you brand yourself, the custom templates will show under the custom templates tab, and you can request them here. So let's talk about video newsletters now, John.
Absolutely.
If you have more to say, you can add text and colors and all that fun stuff, right?
Do it with a newsletter.
That's it.
Absolutely. So like Allison mentioned, if you have more to say other than video, you can come here and add custom text to your newsletter. We have a bunch of different categories, as well as you still having the ability to record your video live, import your video, access any saved videos or pro videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the options that we have here for video newsletter.
Go under business. Let's talk about business. We do all the design work for you as well. So services, look at this, wedding planning, anything you can possibly imagine is in here. And all you need to do is add the text, add your video. And two, the great option is if you don't have a video you want to share at this time, you have the ability to remove the video pod from your newsletter, which is great. as well. And then once you're done and you're happy with your layout, you are able to then send the video newsletter to your recipients in your address book once you title it.
Right, you go ahead and title it and then send it on out. And basically it'll give you the same send screen like you would for video email, where you can go ahead and choose your contacts, as well as create your subject line. And you won't have a message body because your newsletter is essentially your message body, and then you'll be able to schedule it for later or send it now immediately.
Correct.
We also give you the ability to private label your newsletter. So once you submit us your private label request, you'll be able to use that within your video newsletter. All right, so video responders. We give you the ability to create autoresponders, which essentially is a series of either video emails or video newsletter messages that you're predetermining on who you want it to go to. So you can come here and choose that. You can create a campaign, choose when you want that campaign to go out. And again, it's just a series of messages that you're pre-scheduling to your audience that you know who you want to send it to. And then once you schedule it, send it on out. So maybe you have a few birthdays or something you might want to schedule, or things in advance that you might want to schedule. This would be the perfect tool for you to use for both your video emails and video news.
And if you're a business and you have birthdays for your clients and customers and you want to offer them as special, you're able to then as well attach these to our sign-up forms, which we're about to go over, and you can send out specials to your customers and clients and people that sign up to your website. So let's go into sign-up forms and show them how to design a custom sign-up form.
Absolutely.
So as I shared, special offer. So prom is coming up, right? So I went ahead in this account and I selected this nice little tuxedo form because it's tuxedo rental time.
Yeah.
It's time to get everybody's attention and get them to fill out the form so that we can respond to them and tell them, hey, come on in, we're going to give you 20% off. So show them, Javon, how to create that form and how to add the customizable
Absolutely,
field.
absolutely. If you notice over to the left, you have different text fields that you can add onto the form. So if you did have this template for prom and you wanted to have people include their prom sizes or tux sizes, you can go ahead and add on these additional fields and label them accordingly. You also, once basically they fill this information out, all of this information is captured and added to your sign-up form report, where you can go ahead and copy that, save it to your desktop, or export it as a Excel spreadsheet to integrate it into whatever you have going on with your business. You have the ability to go ahead and customize it further, changing the width, adding additional logos. You can remove our logo, upload your own background. There's tons of different features here. Lastly, you have the ability to redirect. So after they sign up for your form, you can have them send them to your website or to another web page of yours that you might want them to see after submitting their information. I see a lot of people using that to add a thank you page, a customizable thank you page for those people that sign up. So basically, once you create your form, you'll be brought to the page where you can go ahead and copy the JavaScript code or the full HTML code for your website. So you would basically give that to your web designer. They can go ahead and plug that in on your website, and then you'll be able to start signing up or capturing data from people who come and visit your site.
What I love about these is it doesn't matter how many forms you create. You can attach them to campaigns, and you can create many specials. You can redirect them to your website. You can thank them for joining. You can offer whatever you like. And then two, you have the opportunity to remove the TalkFusion logo on these forms as well.
Absolutely.
So that actually is a great benefit too. So let's go into the next product, video chat.
Yes, video chat. Now with video chat, you'll be brought to this screen. We allow both members and non-members to use video chat. So if you're a non-member, you can actually go to videochat.talkfusion.com and you can log in and continue as a guest. But for our associates who actually buy the product, you'll have the full featured use of video chat. So where you can see your contacts, you can see your team. You can also communicate with corporate, receive announcements directly from corporate. So if you don't happen to be by email and you're actually using the video chat app, which you can either download from your Apple phone or your Android device, You can receive those notifications immediately from your device, just happening if you're away from your computer.
And that's real important, is to make sure everybody downloads that video chat app. Isn't
Absolutely,
that right, Javon?
absolutely. And it's free
Yes.
in your Android and iOS store. So you can download that immediately.
And then you don't miss any hot news or anything that we share on upcoming product announcements, enhancements, etc. And you get live notifications to your mobile devices on the go.
Absolutely. Also within your video chat room, you have the ability to go ahead and join a room that's already existing or create a room and password protected. You also have the ability to create group chats. So you can add groups to a particular chat, whoever's on your list here, to where you guys can send out text chats. You can also communicate and send out images within those chats as well.
That's right. I love that feature. You can send photos and you can contact with them right away, immediately.
Absolutely.
It's all about being on the go.
Yes.
So now that we've gone through all of that, that's if you want to chat one-on-one. Now we're in the live meetings platform right now, and we're going to show you how easy it is to create a presentation.
Yes, so once you click on your live meetings, you'll either be brought to well, you have two options, the schedule and your presentations. I recommend that everyone go through the presentations first, just so you can go ahead and design your presentation that you might want to present within your meeting. So as you can see here, you'll have the option to select any videos that you might have already imported or have in your library, upload any images, PowerPoints, PDF files, and your archives here are going to hold any of the presentations that you previously created. As you can see here, we have one that we created. We'll go ahead and access it.
That's right. We're going to access this presentation. What it does is it's one click, it brings all your slides over. About 9 slides down, it says video, email, and newsletter showcase video. Well, oops, that's supposed to be the video. So let's go ahead, Javon, and add that video. So we click on videos, we click on TalkFusion products, and we look for that template showcase video by scrolling through our options, which is super simple. There it is. We click on it. It's at the bottom of our screen. It's actually there twice, so look how easy that is. We just remove it. Okay, so now we just drag. You click, drag, and drop right into the place where that slide said the video is supposed to be. So Javon is doing that, as you can see.
So we'll go ahead and remove the placeholder.
And then we just
Add
select
it in this
it.
spot.
That's it. And the great thing is you can do this with your images, your PowerPoints, your PDFs. You can pull old archives. You can mix and match presentations. You can delete videos. You can add videos and just save them and rename them. So we're going to go ahead and save this. Actually, we're going to save it in that archive. So it's named TalkFusion
It'll basically just overwrite what you
Yes.
basically did by adding that new video to it, and it will be readily available within inside your presentation that you're now going to schedule.
That's right.
So now that we've created our presentation, go ahead and click on live meetings and then click on schedule. It'll bring you to your calendar page. It'll basically highlight the date that you're currently on. So since we're going to make a presentation for today, we'll click on the plus sign.
Fill in your date, your time, meeting name, just put TalkFusion presentation, and the meeting description. Join us. You can either mark the meeting as public or private. It's automatically public. You can mark it as private. And if it's a recurring meeting, you can schedule it and it'll show up recurring, and it'll create a series of recurring links for you.
Absolutely.
Once it's there, it shows up, you click on it and take them through that process.
Absolutely. So we give you the ability to go ahead and copy the link if you want to share this with your own email. You can directly launch the meeting here as well. Or if you wanted to use our invite function by inviting people that are already existing in your address book, you have the ability to do that there. You can go ahead and configure add-ons such as follow-up emails, reminder emails prior to the email starting, and you can still go ahead and customize your meeting if you happen to forget to do something when you were making it. But once it's ready to go, you basically click on Launch Meeting. It'll launch in a new tab for you to go ahead and start that meeting. Now, since we already have a meeting started, I'll go back over to our live meeting so we can show you how that looks from what actually inside the meeting. So now that we're inside our live meeting, we'll go ahead and toggle off the desktop share here.
We're going to pull up the presentation slides again that we were sharing with you. Fantastic. Now, it's important to know that all of those products have real-time reporting.
Yes,
Isn't
they
that
do.
true? So real-time reporting for video, email, video newsletters, live meetings. You can see who's watched your video, who's forwarded it on to a friend, whether they visited your website, all of those things. And
as well as for live meetings, you have the ability to see who's attended it, when they attended it. You can download that list. So we give you basically everything you need for your reporting function. That way you can save on to it later and capitalize and build off any new lists that you might want to make out of the people who joined or didn't join your meetings.
That's right. And back there for you too, there's resources, there's tutorials, step-by-step that takes you through each product, which was there on that dashboard as well. So as you can see, there is no such thing as competition. People pay thousands of dollars for just one product that we shared for you today. And we were happy to take you through all the features and functionality. So we're going to go ahead and showcase for you these product packages. So we always say no one gives you so much for so little. The product packages go from $250 up to $1,500 one-time fee. What do you get with that? You get all the products. You get at least one custom template, and you get unlimited free trials. The only two distinguishing factors is the amount of branding and customization that you need, as well as the amount of storage.
Yep.
And so depending on what that customer needs, but the best value is obviously the Pro Pack because you get unlimited storage. Isn't that great?
Absolutely.
You want unlimited storage, meaning all those photos, all the videos, everything that you're uploading, you get it unlimited and unlimited templates because it's all about branding yourself and making you look like $1 million. And we wanted to showcase some of our custom branded templates with you just to give you some ideas of what comes through the office. And this is just a small fraction. So actually go back one more.
Sure.
Go back one more. We've got car dealerships. Car dealerships all over the world using our products. This just happened to come in just recently, the Dimmitt Automotive Group with the Cadillacs. Next is, I get so excited about this, Javon, that's why I was like, okay, next, real estate. Look at this. So it's a new building going up, and they're showcasing the different floors in the tower, and hey, come market. And they're using it to sell the space, to lease the space in their new building. The next, medical professionals, this dental expert from Germany is saying, trust us and trust your smile. How personal is that? They confirm appointments and they send follow-up emails to their patients. Next, a marketing group. This came in and they use this to solicit new business as well as just following up with their clients and customers. Next, I love this one. It's Wildly Delicious Restaurant. So as you can see, small businesses, big businesses, it doesn't matter. Send us your logos, your colors, and we will brand you in style.
Absolutely.
Also, spiritual. I love this template. This came in from Hungary, and they are using it to spread the word. Next, artsy. Very like art and design. This is a gorgeous one that came through. And then if you just want to have some fun, we have this lovely little puppy dog. All you need is love and 2 puppy chows. And that is just an absolute great way to send a personal message to friends, family, and just get them engaged. So no matter what your needs, send us your logos, your colors, and we will design a custom masterpiece for you.
Absolutely.
So in closing, we have shared a lot of information with all of you today. And if you want even more tips, there's so much more that our products can do. We are open, we are available, and we are here for you. So you can schedule a face-to-face product training with us. And we're starting something new, everybody. Get your entire team on board. We're going to start some new team product trainings, and they're available. So what does that mean? That means you have a bunch of people that want to learn about just say video email or just say video newsletters or a couple or a combination, we will customize the training to you. And you can book your session by emailing support@talkfusion.com. And this is great for all our markets as we do business all over the world. If your people do not speak English, bring a translator and we'll be more than happy to share our desktop, take you through the products, answer questions, and make it a more personal, interactive experience. So we're excited to announce that. There's going to be an email going out, and on behalf of me and Javon and the entire corporate executive team, thank you so much for spending this half hour with us today. And we'll look forward to getting those emails and calls, and we will definitely take you through more details of the product and make sure that TalkFusion is being utilized to the best success.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. Yes, yes.
All right, so we opened up the chat, guys. Thank you so much. Again, if you want, call us, 813-651-4030, or
email us. Send us a video email.
Yes.
Show us how you use the product.
That's it.
Share your stories with us. We'd like to hear from you guys.
Follow us on social media, on our blogs. Make sure you comment, like, share, and get the word out there. There's nothing that's going to stop us, and we have so many more innovations coming your way. So again, on behalf of all of us, the entire corporate executive team, myself, Javon, thank you for joining us today, and we'll look forward to receiving those requests and scheduling those trainings for you. Bye-bye.